Hey everybody, Alex Cox with Jim Butler Chevrolet. We're coming with you this Saturday with a car hack for you. So everybody woke up this morning to ice on their windshields. We got a really cool deal. All you got to do is go inside, get a water bottle, 1 cup of alcohol, 1 cup of water, mix it up, shake it up, and come on outside. You're going to generously apply this to your windshield. Once again, all this is rubbing alcohol right out of your pantry. Some water and a spray bottle. This will literally just melt the ice right off of your windshield. So I would take it about 2 minutes or so before you leave. Notice it's already blowing it right off of here. 2 minutes or so before you leave to go to work, go to the gym, take the kids to school, whatever. It'll just let it work and it'll come off. Or you can bring out a little Jim Butler ice scraper and it'll just literally peel right off. Or come out and turn on your windshield wipers. Cool little hack. Don't forget it this winter. All you need is 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 cup of water, a spray bottle, in about 2 minutes. Hope this helps. Alex, Jim Butler Chevrolet with your car hack of the day.